Okay, let's see. We are on now. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so what are we working with here? Are you live? Audio check. I think Desi's also joining us for today as well. I believe we hit. I'm gonna just redo all my charts here because I really haven't been trading at all since Christmas. Ooh, wrong one. So we're just gonna redo everything. So we have this weekly fair value gap here. Nothing up this. I'll just mark this, which we already rebalanced a few times already. This close on the weekly here, which is gonna be on Friday, that's gonna be a bearish close. We're gonna look at this as a sell side. Large daily fair value gap. I think this was during the Christmas time, right? We retraced back inside. We had a Christmas rally, like the Santa rally, people say. The daily fair value gap rebalance and moving for lower. Once again, NQ did take this low out. ES has not, I believe. We still have one more shot lower. ES wants to take that out. And we didn't also take this low. Okay, I'm just gonna mark these lows out. What do we got now? This is the 4-hour gap now. No, 4-hour fair value gap. Large 4-hour here, which barely got rebalance. Very aggressive selling. The same way we went up, we're really aggressively pushing down. So this is like a very key fundamental here where we did rebalance before slamming lower. And now we're in the hourly. I don't know if the hourly is that helpful here because we've just been grinding up and then just slamming down. And there's no gaps on the left side to really help us here. 15-minute chart, we have a 15-minute fair value gap here, which is unmitigated. And we're going for a lower still. Yeah, honestly, the gaps, it's been so very trend-based this whole past few trading days where we don't really have, it's going both sides, but we're going without any retracement, just slamming it down. 5-minute fair value gap retraced here on the move back up after taking liquidity, and we're looking for a leg down. And then now we're in the 1-minute chart. So this is what I have here. If we get a displacement through this low, we'll have like a bearish breaker, which we can use for a quick retrace for a slam lower, most likely to, let me just mark out the hourly fair value gap or liquidity here. This as our low, as well as ES going for 50, 66. Lots of strong selling today, though. Where are you down today? Just 1% though. Oh, what's up, Alex? Blue 10, 150K on this move. Dude, today is rough with Apex. I know a lot of you guys want to trade Apex, but it's tough. Tough only because of trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdown is a bitch. How many guys buying Apex accounts today or using it right now? It's crazy. The website's been just crashing. I still want to see lower until we get a flip. Most likely we get a flip in this 5 minute. I'll probably try to look at more upside, but until then, we've just been very, very bearish. But we did take a NQ strong liquidity target, which is good. I don't think I'm gonna try to trade funded today when I'm trying to focus on these Apex evals. It's $16 a pop. It's so cheap, but like they really try to get you with the activation fee. Like if you don't buy here, you're gonna miss out on it. You need to buy today. Like they're pushing you on it. You couldn't trade yesterday. These New Year's, so you don't really have much time. Yo, let me see. Let me check your volume.
We back, boys.
Say something again. Let me check your volume.
Yo.
Oh, you're good. You're good. What's up? First stream of 2025. We live.
Happy New Year to everyone in the stream.
Happy New Year.
Did you guys know Code SMART gives you 90% off on
90%.
And honestly, if you use Code SMART, you have a higher chance of passing the.
That's what I was gonna say. That's what I was saying to them. Like it just works like that. Don't ask why, but it just happens. But we're really pushing now.
Yeah, bro, that sell-off was so nice. I've been in puts, bro,
Apex since that? Or no?
No. I've been in puts since December 27th.
Oh damn.
Yeah. I took my funded futures on this, and I took 1 XFA on this.
Okay, let me see. Let's do a poll for PM. Let's see what you guys think. PM bias check. Bullish, bearish.
Dude, I'm so bearish overall. Those daily lows on ES.
Are you bearish for PM right now? We kind of jumped at NQ low, but I still.
Yeah, we did, but I want to see a continuation.
Yeah.
Maybe like tap into like a 15-minute gap or something and see how that reacts.
But Apex website, it is so slow for me. I don't know if it's anyone else. It's been slow for me all day. Where like I don't even want to buy accounts till like maybe after market close because it looks like so many people's on it or something. Ripping. I think we're about to tap in this the 5-minute gap here or 15-minute gap here. We need to pop over 0.94. What do you need to pass the 50K? Is it 3K?
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm gonna try to buy some 50Ks. The 150K is so brutal to pass, man.
You need news with that,
or
bro.
anything, anything large like 250K or anything like that. It's ridiculously hard. I was trying to mess around with it earlier today. Yeah, we didn't even want to tap in there. I want to see this 15-minute at least get rebalanced first if we want to move lower. Do that. Take out this high too if we do that. I'm looking for upside, at least for a scalp move back up. It's 15-minute. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, I'm back. Let me just reach out real quick. Oh wait, dumping. Bought the trade 5 sim funded up 1500. Should probably stop trading. Yeah, you should probably just stop around like 1500. Unless just do the math with it. What's happening? Is that here?
Yo,
You gotta entertain them while I'm getting water, man.
bro, I didn't know you were gone. I'm not gonna lie.
All right,
I didn't know you were gone. Is the website still slow on Apex?
Yeah, it's really slow.
I went on today. Oh my goodness.
Okay. What are we looking at? I just want one more structure now. I think I do want this to at least come up to 0.93 here to get that previous high and get a strong drive in, and it can move lower after. That's what I'd like it for shorts and longs right now. Yeah, but Apex website is like dirt slow right now. There's way too many people on it. Especially, I think if you guys were on at 9:30, 9:40, I was just trying to log in to like I had to cancel some of my subscription because it was like renewing. I was like, oh shit, and then it was really, really slow.
I server muted Brian because he was talking to someone. I'm pretty sure he goes unmute himself. Yeah, I'm gonna mute him. Look how good of a friend I am, guys.
Okay. Let me get something. Be right back.
Alright, guys. What I'm honestly looking for, we might leave these as breakaway gaps. I hope not. I want to tap into that 15-minute and see if we get a continuation lower. So that's the tricky part with the Apex, right? The activation fee only is till today, so that's why they're kind of promoting it so they can pass it quickly. Obviously, they want people to build their accounts today, but it's just the duration of the sale. Yep. Yeah, guys, if you guys follow my Twitter, you guys know like I've been looking for shorts pretty much the whole time. I'm only looking for ES to take out 57.97, I believe that is. For those monthly equal lows there, and we also have those daily equal lows stacked. That's my draw on liquidity. heading into January. And obviously, we're doing a pretty nice job and going into it. Our sell models are playing out nicely. We got weekly inversions playing out, right? So very nice sell model in the higher time frame. The lower time frame is a little bit tricky because I mean, you guys saw this morning. There's a lot of back and forth action, but
Okay, we're back.
should be good.
Apex
wave site.
Where we at?
Yeah,
Oh,
the site's very laggy, so I can imagine this would probably be worse later on in the day. But
okay, I'm good now. So, what are we looking at?
he's back. I was telling them how we're looking. I was talking about the higher time frame and how
Let me
those
turn the
monthly
music
lows
down.
overall. Another 100 points on ES would be chef's kiss. Not today, obviously, but overall.
It's such a volatile day today. Like basically the whole morning session, it just go back and forth without taking like any of the highs or lows and just teasing you back and forth. And then, like near lunchtime, it just started displacing very hard. This is like a perfect day for Apex at least, in their business wise. What do you guys think, chat? Where's price heading right now? Up, down, or you don't know? Let's take the bull. Bearish. Lots of guys are bearish right now. Or range, yeah. I mean, it could range us back and forth right now. And Friday could do another delivery. Am I muted here? I don't know. Let's see. What is this button? Oh, is this how to change the volume? Holy crap.
Oh, you just went higher.
Okay, my bad.
Oh, too high. Guys, Brian came back to streaming and forgot to stream.
Alright, try now. I clicked the Elgato.
You're so loud on Discord, but I think
on Discord?
You're okay on stream. You're okay. I put your Discord down.
I think it's because I had the gain up, and then I didn't know how to change the Elgato, but I clicked it. I was like, oh, it changed it for me. How's the quality though?
It's good. I like it.
All right, let me test.
Desi always sounds total baked. Yeah, guys. I wake up, smoke a fat blunt.
Okay, or SMT. There's not much really to. I'm trying to figure out where it wants to move from here. Any trades? Yeah, I haven't traded much so far for PM session. I'm just watching. I would do want upside at least before downside. That's what I like to go for right now.
$15-minute gaps here probably get tapped into. I want to see the reaction.
Yeah, I want to see that get tapped in right now.
Is that TPT sale still going on?
I think so, actually.
Oh yeah. So Brian, what'd you do over the break, man? Tell the world what you've been doing over the break.
I didn't really do much. I just lost
Hell
of time
yeah.
off the charts, and I was just hanging with fam, the friends and stuff.
You
First
still
time,
refreshed?
yeah. I need to get back into it, like because I'm still like a little foggy. I don't know these of all the stuff I've been doing, but maybe I think by next week, January 6th, I think it's Monday, right? This is when I'm gonna reset and we'll get back to the grind again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was gonna take some time off because
What the heck is these moves? It just
this is not taking.
this
The
happened
pennant, bro.
all
The
day
bear
from what I've
flag.
seen. Like I don't even need to trade this, but like I'm just looking at it as like keeps on doing this every single time today.
Desi's hella loud. Hold up. Turn me down, Brian. I'm not even
Oh,
talking
let me
loud.
see. Okay, I'll turn it down a little bit.
Soup mess this. Shut up. Deal with it. Oh, you're funny. All right, guys. We get it. We get it. We get it. These guys. When you coming back officially? Today was my official like back. Like I'm back in the full swing of things. We went live in the morning. Had a alert commentary. We're good. So let's go, my friend.
Yeah, I think we inverse this. I want to see this display straight back up because that move straight up, we just filled back down.
I want to see this 90. Was it 93?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to send some accounts on the upside with this start inversely. Wait, can I just go in the one? Okay, there we go. Doesn't look like it yet. Want to get a good close here. Then we go for 93s. Oh, 93s. What do you call that,
NFT
Desi?
index
You
rate?
like to think like it goes like the trend line going up, it's like narrowing. Oh, what the heck do you call that? Like the broadening range or
The
something?
megaphone.
Megaphone. That's what you call it. Like, we about to get
It's
a
not really
megaphone.
megaphoning. It's like
It's
it's like
starting to be.
it's like bear flagging, bro.
Oh.
Because megaphone makes lower lows and higher highs.
Oh, okay. Okay, right.
Yeah. Dude, megaphone's OP, bro. Shout out T Trades.
I wanted to play the downside, but it didn't even want to displace through this and get it closed yet. It makes it kind of weak. Yeah, it hasn't got to displace me, so I can't even try this yet. Wedge. burrito. Wait, chat. What counts are you guys buying? You guys buying the 50Ks, 150Ks, 250s, 300? I feel like 300 is kind of overkill. I don't know how you would pass the 300s, to be honest.
$50Ks, man. Just because they're so easy to pass.
Yeah, they are.
I have some Apex accounts renewing today. I'm gonna cancel those.
Yeah, you gotta make sure the you don't get it renewed while it's 90% off. Because I got renewed like a handful for like 40,
Yeah.
50 bucks. It's like worth 16 bucks now. They basically paid three times the price for no reason. Doesn't want to take this low out either. Wow.
Or just
Just goes back and forth.
range bound so bad. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go warm my tea.
Okay. Like, how would you even try to pass these Apex accounts with such large PT targets? I feel like you fail them back and forth. Look at that. I haven't seen any setups yet on my end. I thought we had a long setup coming up here, but we didn't. I'm just going back to one here. When's the next news days anyway? Is it
NFP.
this Friday?
It's next Friday.
Oh, it's next Friday. I thought it was the first Friday of every month.
Not if the month starts with the end of the last month.
Oh.
Bro, I'm still too loud on stream, Brian.
Are you? Did someone say
Yeah,
that?
I could hear myself. I just turned it on.
Yeah, I'll turn you down a little bit for OBS. It's kind of boring stream because there's not much they're gonna really do here.
I know. I was sitting around.
I'm gonna see if the website's slow for Apex right now. Maybe just buy some counts early. I was gonna just buy after stream. It's probably not. I passed the 50Ks at least earlier. I wanted the
How many?
100K, but so hard. I think like 10.
I got like, yeah, I got like 17 PAs. I don't know if I want to get more.
I was really trying to pass the 150K, but they're ridiculously hard to pass because of trailing drawdown, man. Like, it's so difficult because if it's end of day, it'd be so easy, but like you go up 3,000 profits, let's say, on one trade, you need 9,000. So you're like 1/3 way there, and you just go back down -2, boom right there. Or even the 250K is like even worse. I had some 250Ks like getting very close too. Like, how do you even pass it without news? Is my question. I think what my plan is, I'll just buy. I'll just you pass 50Ks like right now if you want, and then you load up accounts like large account like 250Ks or 300 or whatever you want, and just wait for news days while it's cheap. Because you have like what CPI, PPI, non-farm payroll this month.
Yeah. Yep. All right, there's a low on ES.
Yeah, we got the low on ES here.
My next target on NQ honestly is gonna be like what, 20,680s around there.
Yeah, I really wish Apex just gives a bulk option at this point. Like buy like 20 at once, or like 10 at once, even 5 at
Even
once,
the
5 at once.
duplicate method is like,
Well, yeah, it's bad because it doesn't do well when the website's so slow. I'm trying to buy some right now. It's so slow. And like I know it's not my Wi-Fi because earlier, like last night, I just bought a few. It was like really fast. I was like able to do like about 10 like per like 2-3 minutes. So you just know it's really slow right now. But yeah, if you guys are trading Apex like very aggressively just because you want to take advantage of sales, just make sure this is you acknowledge that this is eval's behavior, because if you try to carry that over with funded accounts, it's not gonna be fun. But trailing drawdown is very difficult to manage. Like even for the really good traders, like if you're trying to do like large contracts to pass, because you have like a urgency. If you want to get activation fee at a certain date, they give you like a very quick time frame to try to pass them. So it's not easy at all. And no one can say otherwise. No one can say like, oh, you pass easy first try. Like, especially at the large counts. The 50K, like it's understandable. Top Step got to drop discount. When has Top Step dropped a discount? I feel like it's been ages. I think it really has been ages. They don't want discounts. But yeah, I probably bought like 100 Apex accounts today. How much is that? Like 1600. Wow, that's a lot. I think I passed like 25 so far. 20. I traded some last night, this morning. No, nothing much this PM yet because I'm waiting. I want to get a good setup, but it's a dookie. If it was end of the day drawdown though, I think I can pass him like 50% win rate, or not 50%, like very decent, because this morning, dude, Desi, I don't know if you were trading this morning, but like if you were trying to, like, the 50k count, you could pass, but like the large accounts, the 150k count, I'll get so
dude.
close, man. I'll get so close. Like it'd be large size, of course, like 250k count. Like you can get 27 max contract. I'm not doing 27, but like I'll do like 15, and then like one big candle. I'm like, okay, we're halfway there, and then like I like, let's say I close that, and then I try to trade again, like another trade. Trailing drawdown just gets you so bad because the profit target you need is so high. The ratio is not favorable to you either. So it's a high ratio plus like trailing drawdown, which just works against you in this. And I would never just be rushing this, but the activation fee, I do want to pass that. So they have like such a good tactic, man. Whoever thought of how, when they implement sales, man, they have it in lock.
Dude, their marketing thing, this like you have to pass today is like so crazy. For the activation, it probably moves up to like what, 125, I'm guessing.
Well, you don't even know. Like, what if they don't even do the sales anymore?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. 2 save 90s within what, last month? Yeah, we're not getting another one till like I don't know when. A lot of months.
The rebuild, I think, is 80%. So like, it's $16 right now. It would be 32. Yeah, but for me, I've been really focusing on Tick Trader and Tradeify and whoever, like whatever the instant funding is. So I was like trading Apex basically from like September to November. I was getting back-to-back payouts with them, but I haven't really focused on them for December. So I don't really have much accounts with them. That's why I'm trying to build them up. But yeah, but I feel like the 250k is really easy to pass. At least you can pass them at a 50% win rate even. It's not too bad if you have some good trades going. But the 100k, man, I feel like my pass rate is gonna be like 15-20%. It's just so hard because the ratio is like almost 2-1, and then trailing drawdown.
Yeah, even with the 50Ks, bro, I think my pass rate is like 35%.
I mean, that's still good because like it's a high ratio, so statistically it can't be. It'd be hard to get 50%.
Yeah.
I just like imagine, like, you can like static of the numbers, but then you go like actual realistic users, like you'll see probably people like buy like 200 accounts and they just pass like 10 of them. Just because they're like degenerating.
Facts.
Yeah, you can also keep them in reserves if you want. You have like 30 days. You would get renewed, but like you have like a whole month too as well. So it's not a bad idea to keep some in reserves. Has anyone credit cards flagged you for like suspicious activities yet?
Hell yeah,
Bro,
bro. That's just cooked.
they keep on calling me every single time. Like it's all good. I authorized it. They're like, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" There's a lot of suspicious activity right now. Patrick bankrupted them with 600,000 payout. You literally Kane got like what 2 mil or 1.8 mil something like that, and Kane did it in like much little lower expense. So like, I feel like Kane would be the one that bankrupts them. But here's the risk investment though. With them paying Patrick like 500K or 600K, you have so many traders like, okay, let's do the same thing, and then they'll just blow the account, blow the account, blow the account, and they'll make so much more back. But yeah, this price actually sucks right now. I really want to try to get some good trades going, but it's horrendous. Thinking this wants to try to move higher from here a little bit. We're just hovering these lows.
Bro, we literally haven't done shit since we started live.
Yeah. Wait, so Desi, what's your plan now? How many are you gonna buy some accounts? Not to trade a day, but I'm talking about like, let's say like just to push them a CPI or something like that. Hey, well, what count if so?
If I'm that was debating, it's like okay, if I'm gonna get bigger, if I'm gonna get accounts I'm gonna use for news, I'll probably grab like 250Ks.
Dude, 250K is like once it's funded, it's so easy. Like it's so nice because you have such a big drawdown. And then you can just build them up to get payouts. $6,500. I think 60 is it 6,500 drawdown? That's a lot of drawdown. And if you pass them with CPI, it's you basically pass with a funded, very very cheap. Can't really beat that. I just don't know how people are passing like 250K accounts for, like with this price action. I think Lanto even passed it. I think he shared in the chat. He passed some accounts, um, just playing price action. With that
Yeah, he
drawdown, it's
passed.
ridiculous.
Yeah, he passed so many.
He gave me some confidence. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to
He's like, I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna trade some Apex large counts too, without CPR or anything like that. Let's try it. And I got humbled. I'm like, damn it. Who said I should do this? Who convinced me? appreciate the open talk about losing challenges. It's just being realistic because I it's hard for you to just for someone to post like, oh, because I seen that happen. People post on Twitter like, oh, passes with breeze, and it's like 300K counts. Like, are you
Yeah,
sure you passed in first try or something like that without any fail attempts? Because
dude,
just statistically, that's
and
so
very hard.
hard. And then also people who trade news as well, like it's that's also not guaranteed. Like I always talk about it, is like you should probably expect a 1 in 3 chance you hit it, which is still a good odds. But some people do run it with like, oh, it's gonna be guaranteed, blah blah. The PA is gonna be $85, but after January 3rd, the price is gonna rise, I think, to 125. Yeah, if there's no sale, it's gonna be hard as shit. Like I think at that point you could just buy what monthly.
Pretty much.
But yeah, we'll go back to we'll go back to regular hardcore grinding again next Monday. We're still in like New Year price action right now. How is January price action statistically? Does anyone know?
I think last year was pretty good. We ripped up crazy last year though.
Mm-hmm. Hedge news, even with hedging news, that you can get easily wicked out, or like that, or if you're trying to do stop orders on both sides, you can get filled on one side and reverse other side. Other times, like it can go very quick, but it won't fill you out quick enough, and then it hits your drawdown. Like it's so many different scenarios where like it hurts you. That's why the only thing that's good is the counts are cheap. Wait, did you check if Take Profit Trader is still having their sale, by the way? Let me see.
Oh yeah, they are.
How long do they have that up for?
Like a month, dude. They're gonna remove it soon. They said like last week. It's still up there.
Like New Year's, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. You got banned from them withdrawing only 15,000. I lost secret trades, but I don't have any accounts. Oh, is like they don't let you purchase accounts anymore. I think they said in the last video or something that they're gonna review certain people like history and lift those restrictions like slowly. It probably like reduce accounts you can buy, like max funding, let's say, or max evals. Yeah, but I don't know how that works. Apex is very poor in communication with those things. But yeah, should we swing tomorrow? Also Friday? Maybe Friday. We decent. So yeah, we have like pretty decent SMT right now, looks like. Do you know what activation fee for 2PK is if you don't pass a day? If you want the lifetime, it's something high. It's ridiculously high. 200 or something, 250 or something like that.
There's so much chop, dude.
It's just back and forth. Someone asked like, what setup would you see right now? Just something with clear delivery. This is the PM session so far. I think we started 1 p.m. Just I should include range bound. That's basically the price action for today. Four-hour give us some direction. Yeah, we already got a 4-hour close here. Pressing lower it now. You know what would be kind of like tedious? Let's say you bought like 100 counts and you pass them, you fail some. The tedious part is just to cancel all of them. Now that I think
Bro, that's the most annoying part, dude. Because I had so many renewing last week. I had to take so many out.
You spend a whole night just renewing it or canceling everything basically.
Yeah, literally. I think we're gonna try to go for 970 then. I think the most easiest thing we could have done for PM is if we just rebalance 15-minute and then just play downside the whole day. Yeah, that's what I was kind of expecting to happen, but it slowed
It
down.
could even do that. I got very look how close I was. Like 3 points away. Just a quick sweep, drive in. Things would get very clear, but without doing that, it was a little bit more challenging. Just selling off more here. I think it should just go lower.
Take that low on IQ. Boring.
Hmm. I'm just not really sure what to look at right now. I want to play lower. Just take out the next draw here, but I think it's range bound based off of what it's showing the rest of the day. We're gonna get a 4-hour candle though. New 4-hour candle, so we'll see what top is there. Maybe we actually try to go the 15-minute fair value up now with a 4-hour 2 p.m. candle. That's what it looks like right now.
Honestly, this does not look like a bad long.
Yeah.
Thank you. 1 minute.
We're gonna do hourly.
Just with this inversion.
Now we'll give this large hourly fair value gap.
BRB.
I would actually kind of see if we can get a long setup here. Yeah, and then yeah, there's this 1 minute inversion here. Perhaps look like a retrace back inside right there, slam down. Try this long on the evals right now. Could work, could not. It's all good.
All right. It's a solid long right here. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna send some Apex right now. I still have some 150k left over. I was gonna say, but maybe I'll just try to see if I can get them. Probably not though. It's gonna so hard to do the Apex large accounts, but the 50ks should be able to do it easier, much easier. You need 15,000 profits argument. Like you need like hit to displace without trying to wick you out. It's kind of crazy. Lanto's here. What's up, Lanto? He's a look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes is horrendous. This barcoding.
Lanto Trades LLC.
I need a trade from Lanto Trades himself. For real. I have some Apex in longs at 35, 33s right now. Just gonna add. If it goes up more, I'll keep on adding to it. Hopefully, ideally, a good close, and then we'll try to get a displacement through this. We're just gonna play evals. I don't think I'm touching any live or funded today with this price action. Get this pump. Get this pump. Looking for a displacement to 70s. Maybe I'll get some pass counts right now. If we get a strong pump here. You gotta believe in the pump. There we go. There we go. There we go. Dude, no way, Desi. No way I got some pass details with that.
Look at I posted in the chat, Brian.
Brother, what the heck? That feels so much better. Like I don't know if it feels better than trading like a funded on that account. It's like this is a straight eval. I feel like evals is on larger accounts is so much more difficult.
So hard. Wait, what account size was it?
The 150Ks. Let me see the chat. Oh, you were doing the same thing then. Version.
Yeah.
God damn, that's so brutal. Like it took so long to, or it's like not even take long. It was nerve wracking because like I wanted this retrace. I'm gonna add if we keep on going and look for a strong displacement up. It just basically hit my target right at right there. It's definitely not easy. Definitely not easy. Don't let it. These Apex counts are got you sweating because you can be up like it can go up this way and then flash down. Trailing drawdown just takes you out. There we go. Press 1 if you took the longs with us, guys.
We got a 91.
That's so freaking.
93.
Oh my goodness. I feel like we just took a banger trade on like 20 fundeds and made like $300-400 per account. That's what it feels like right now. That's actually what it feels like. That's like the first trade we took too. He's like, I don't think we saw anything good until we got this inversion. We had some equal highs here. That's the beauty of just waiting till you get something good. That's also the trade-off too. Some people are like, I hate trailing drawdown. I hate these accounts. But it's so cheap, that's why. That's the trade-off. You can buy like, a more expensive account if you like. We did it. We did it, Joe.
We did it!
I still have some other 150K I was going to save, but should I keep on just... Should we keep on going? Push our luck. You think it's going to keep on displacing, does he?
Yeah. Into that 15-minute at least.
Okay, yeah. Let's see if we get another long opportunity. I'll just wait to see if there is. If they're not, probably not going to force it. Don't overstay the welcome. Literally the only trade got in like around like mid-30s, I think 35s I said. Like about 7 points DD, but the main thing was like I was adding if we can get a closer above, which we did here, and then 30 point, 40 point move right away.
Yeah, this is right at that time too. New hour open. Good.
Yeah, 2 p.m.
We're gonna go tap into the hourly gap.
There it is.
There it is.
If you needed more points to pass it, there it is.
Show the stream this execution.
Lots of people took that trade. Looks like nice, very nice.
I posted a shot.
Miscalculate the long 500 left. I mean, like, yeah, don't try to trade it now. Like, I would just wait till you get like a clean setup before you fumble. That's always what I like to say.
Dude, I thought I was on a 1 minute chart the whole time. I was on 30-second, bro.
That's why you failing or you fumbling. You're on the 35-second chart.
35
Or
seconds.
the 30 seconds.
There-
See,
No, bro, look at the entry and exit though, bro. Stop playing with me.
Let me see. This is evals or what is this?
Yeah, this is eval.
On the 50k or 150k? You only did 3
150K.
minis?
This is top step. Yeah. That's
Oh,
bro.
oh,
That's like
top step,
3K
okay.
right there.
Damn. Do you pass some evals? We took this longs if you rewind it. Long at 35. So I was just looking for displacement through these equal highs, which is essentially like 30 plus points. And then I think this is gonna be my max DD, and like it will just keep on trailing. So like then this will be what it looks like if it keeps on going up.
All right, hourly tab. You can hunt shorts here, guys. In my opinion.
Yeah. I think this is what we talked about earlier. We want to rebalance inside here, and if we're looking for downside, we're gonna draw into 970s. So what we need is like some pretty strong displacement in the first TP or first target. Internal target would be that 028. Basically
Yeah,
that low that
get this 5 minute gap. Oh, go ahead.
I would say basically that low that we drew into for the entry. That's gonna be the first target. Degen wins again, guys. The first clean setup of the day. I mean, we do this like the same thing like Funded. We just wait for a setup, but in this case, it was like basically like I think like 9 or 8x. Wait, no, I did 15 contracts on 150k or 150k and 250k. I would just probably do 2 or 3 at most. So that's like 6x, 7x size on this evals just to aggressively try to pass them really quick. You wouldn't do that with the Funded for sure. That's a degen style.
Degen style.
Yeah, they really it's Apex marketing. They push you to do more urgency to pass these accounts, and if you just throw them in random setups, you're just gonna fail them over and over. But if you actually look for some clean setups, wait for them, you might actually get something good. We'll see if we can get something else here.
I'm looking at this right now, Brian. I'm looking at this chat.
Let me see. So you're looking, is that the 1 minute chart? Yeah, 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
I think that's what I was seeing as well. Just get a strong 1 minute displacement, creating that inversion, and then we should just displace through that previous low and see if we can draw under 21,000. Which chat? It's just a chat with me and Lanto, or Lanto and Desi with me. Dude, you know what would be crazy? Imagine if Tradeovate had an outage and Apex just reset it all accounts. I'll be like dead because imagine how many people failed accounts today. They'll lose so much money from potential money spent. Now I'm praying for a outage. Looking for shorts. Only looking for shorts if we do at least a displacement through this 1 minute here. Because right now we already flipped and we're still holding, so this is not short yet. We did rebalance this 15 minute, which is what I want to see, but we need to see some more structure than that. I'm betting they extend the promo. Honestly, what do you think, Desi? Because I feel like one way, if they don't extend the promo, then like, you know, people already degen, people stocked up.
I think they're gonna extend it.
They haven't done like 90% in a long time though. They think they've been just focused 80%, and even before they were just doing 50% as well. Like they did 50% for the longest time. So like
yeah, that last 90% only had $125 activation fee too.
So this
is like
80,
super cheap.
Yeah, this is the best deal they have. So it makes me hard to think like they would actually want to extend it. If anything, maybe they'll extend one of them. Maybe the activation fee, the $85 or $125, whatever it is, or the 90%. Yeah, so yeah, same thing as Josh right now. I think they'll extend one of them, not both. It'll be stupid because I feel like the marketing, you can kind of see how they're trying to run the marketing. It'll be pretty dumb for them to extend it fully. I think they also are worrying about their margins because that's why you don't see big sales anymore. It's more like flash sales. And they also got to think about the long term too. It's like they get a lot of money today or this week, but then once people get funded, some people actually hit payouts. So it's pretty difficult. But the bright side is, if you guys are trading responsibly, get funded very responsibly, and like try to follow the rules. Don't. I feel like this is a crucial part here. Don't give them a reason to deny you, because I think that's where like, a lot of people fall victim to. They have some reason to deny.
And guys, like for me, my sizing for these 50Ks, I'm trading 3 to 5 micros. Well, it seems little, but I'm just gonna focus on compounding the gains over X amount of time. Yeah, like I think like there's a lot of denials you see on social media, but like I would say like 65% of them, like 2/3 of them, are rightfully denied because they broke the rules. Which like you could argue like, oh, the rules doesn't make sense. Why is the rule there? But it's their firm at the end of the day. So if you didn't read the rules properly, that's on you. But there is like a good percentage of people that are wrongfully denied. But I think people are just too focused on like, you know, denials. And if you just follow the rules and make sure you're trading a way where you give no reason. So like you size the same, you make profits very similar. You don't have like, you know, like $100, then like $1,000, then $2,000, then back to 100. And then you don't break the 30% trailing DD, which is like just give proper risk management. Basically adapt yourself for those accounts to their most ideal trader for Apex. I think the simplest way to do that is just size much lower. Like even micros if you have to. Like I haven't seen people get denied if they do like, you know, like micros, like 3 micros and 8 micros, but I've seen people get denied doing like 2 minis and then do 8 minis for whatever reason. Just compound the gains, guys. Don't try to get to pay on one day. It's already a consistency rule with it. Just compound over time and the bright side too, like if you get denied, you don't lose the profits on all your accounts. You just trade another 8 days. And then I've seen a lot of people get denied. They trade like, you know, they trade really responsibly. Like, they already have a good balance on it. They're just like, okay, I'm just gonna do $100 or $200 per day for 8 days, doing 1 contracts, and then they get approved afterwards. So for those people who are like a little bit complaining about it or screaming Apex is a scam, they might have broken the rules, or if you don't like Apex is just not for everyone. That's for sure, because Apex does have the most rules out of everyone, and if you can't abide by them, like that's why there's like 5 other firms to choose from. You have TopStep, you have MyFund Futures, you have TradeFi. Apex is the only firm though that does 20 accounts and they pay. Every other firm who did 20 accounts either rugged or changed the rules
like crazy, and then that I think that the only thing that's driving that is ETF. Let me read chat. If you follow the rules, they pay. That's basically what it is. Like, just to add that, like, that's just don't give them any reason to deny you. Because sometimes I do have reasons to deny myself too, or they deny me as well. Desi's too loud. Let me lower. I'm gonna keep on lowering you. Maybe
dude, just mute me at this point. Just mute me at this point.
Elite allows 20 accounts, but they have a history of retroactively just changing the rules completely.
You have been banned from Elite Trader funding.
Yeah, me and Desi are banned from it. They banned also profit traders. Like you say the same thing with Apex, like speculating, but that's not true. I mean, there could be speculation, but ETF actually banned profit traders.
We go on the website, guys, and it says you are literally. It literally says you are banned.
Yeah. We're not the only one though. I'm pretty sure a lot of the big influencers are also banned because once you get a certain amount of payouts, or once you get moved to live even one time, they just ban you. They won't even let you come back. So like they switched me to live like 10K or something like that, and then I'm listen to this. They switched me to live like 10, 50K. I forget the number. I made $26,000 in payouts, live balance payouts, and then eventually like over that time that I lost a 10K like slowly. So like that was like very net positive, and I can't even come back. They don't want to work with me. They don't want to go with live count again. I don't even want to work with them. Besides that either, because they are a scam.
Show them the screenshot posted.
Oh, is it the ban one?
Yeah.
This is what happens. You've been banned from using Elite Trader funding. They do that to every trader who hit a live count as well. So a lot of the slack that Apex gets, like other firms. Can't see it, they said. Oh, they can't see it. Let me see. It says
when you drag it over, when you drag it over, it doesn't show.
Are you serious? What if I just put on Trading View? You see it now?
Yeah, copy paste in Trading View. Yeah. Wait, yeah.
It says you've been banned from using Elite Trader funding. Only firm that really just outright banned you with no question asked. That's why, like, you have to think about it, right? You have. 20...
I didn't even get moved. I didn't even get moved to live, guys. Think about that.
Oh yeah, you didn't. I did though. Think about it though. Like you have Elite Trader funding somewhere. Let me just find it. Somewhere right. Are they? They haven't paid out the last 24 hours then. That's our sussing up. They paid out 120,000 in the last 7 days. Let's see the last 30 days. 200,000.
And guys, if you think about it, right? They paid. What was it, 170K or 120K? And how many days?
7 days. And 30 days is 200K, basically, 220. In 30 days. And they allow 20 accounts. Like, let's say I was trading with them seriously, I think I would account for like 30% of that.
Yeah, I've been banned technically since February, guys. I mean, it is what it is.
They ain't paying nobody. We used to love ETF too until they.
Yeah, I used to trade with them a lot.
Yeah, I think they're. I forget if they're the first firm I trade or not. That or Apex. And then like you'll see them doing like 90% off as well. By the way, is that if that's not sus enough already? And then their firm, some of their employees they DM me saying like, why are you talking shit about our firm? Like, I'm just speaking the truth. Like, and then why would I not talk about it? Is Apex still paying? I'm pretty sure Apex is paying probably more than every firm combined right now. Future firms. Like it's like top 3. Like if you count like Top Step, MyFund Futures, and TradeFi, I feel like Apex, based on the numbers they've been reporting, probably combined. And 20 counts is amazing. Like you can have like bad months and you get a payout on 20 counts. You're already probably net positive by 2 times over. That's how overpowered it is, really.
Guys, stick with Apex, My Funny Futures, and Top Step, please.
Yeah, the big three.
It sucks hearing all this because I just got ETF, bro. Go charge back. I'm not even lying.
Wait, did he actually get the ETF? I mean, he probably got evals. He probably didn't even got funded yet.
Tradeify too, yeah. Tradeify's good. I don't trade Tradeify, so I'm only saying the ones that I trade.
I mean, you got the evals for like 90%. I don't think on elite it's probably not that much.
That's
I mean, they could pay you probably, but like just don't expect to get consistent payouts. Because it's not sustainable for them too. They're doing 90% off, right? They're doing 20 accounts, and they also have end of day. Apex can do that 90% off by doing trailing drawdown as a trap. Yeah, I don't know if there's any other trades today. If anything, it's gonna be like some strong displacement on the upside. We're like, if we can leave these lows, that I can see some action upside. That's not a bad idea, Salt Tribe. You get the fast track, you pass them, and then you get payout. But what happens when they don't pay you out? That's the thing. It works until it doesn't. It's always like that. Need this $500 before promo room's out. What account, by the way? I think you're the one who took the inversion with us, but you need $500 left. Is it the 100K? I can see this flipping right now. That's disgusting. Let me see. If this turns around, this could be pretty strong downside right now. We'll probably look at this if it is inverse. I think this could be a good trade here to play back down. Yeah, so you're like basically like 89% there then with only $500, or like 90 something percent. So it did inverse.
FTMO still around?
FTMO is like the top dog of Forex. Yeah.
Yeah, they've been around for a while.
I hope they will be around. If they're not around, then GG's for Forex.
ठंड हो रही ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੋਰੇ ਖੜੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ Was I not muted? My bad.
You're good. Nothing's happening. Wait, FTMO, you can't trade it as a US trader? I didn't know that. I don't just mess with Forex at all. So.
400k D or 40k DD is crazy. I didn't mind Forex firms, to be honest.
I just don't like the MetaTrader platform, and it's always like the slippage too. Like futures, you don't have the slippage. I don't want to worry about all that stuff. But yeah, I mean, I think I got like 100 counts. I passed like 30 of them. It's not bad, I guess. It's not good either, but if I had more time, let's say, like I know I could do better, but like this is just me just rushing the account so I can what do you call it? Do it before the sale ends. And then I'll probably load some evals just in case as a backup, and then I'll trade them like non-farm payroll or whatever news there is. Then we'll be good. So far, looking good for upside. So ES hasn't popped in that 15-minute yet, by the way. I want to see this comes up higher. I just realized I have some accounts that's like $5 from passing. I'm gonna just see if I can finish them real quick. Let me see. Let me see. Imagine failing the count on the 100K once you get like 90, 89, 5, and then just.
Dude, I filled some
fail.
Apex accounts like $200 away, dude.
I think I failed some accounts like years ago. I think I probably showed a picture to you in the chat before, in our group chat. Like it'll be like $17 off, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do 1 mini. And then like it goes down to a minus 200. I'm like, I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna add another one, and then it is just the most suckiest feeling because like you just basically blew like a eval like $4,500 drawdown, and you need $17 to pass. I was like, how do you do that? Good pass. Good move up there. Why don't you guys recommend TPT? I like TPT. I think we've been talking about it more lately. Yeah. The only thing is I think they're a little bit more expensive, and they're also trailing drawdown. Like there's a reason why people don't like Apex because it's trailing drawdown. But the thing with TPT, like they have daily payouts, but it's trailing drawdown for funded, and it's expensive. It's like more costly than Top Step, more costly than other firms. So that's why I don't think TPT is too popular. If they did end of day drawdown on funded, I wouldn't mind them raising the prices, and I think a lot of people would enjoy it more. But that's just what it is. People don't like it. Oh yeah, and then you hit daily loss limit. That's also like something that people really dislike. You hit daily loss limit, you fail the count. You know how you hit top step daily loss limit, you don't fail the count, but for TPT, complete fail. I know a lot of people don't like that, which is understandable because like who wants to fail just because they hit the daily loss limit, which is supposed to be there to protect you and keep your account alive. But they're doing it in a way where like it'll just fail you completely. So it's a bit hard to support that also. There's a lot of trade-offs with some firms. I want to see if we get this displacement here. Kind of looking for that to play downside. Because we already got this 15-minute fill, which is great. Now we can get some displacement downside. We can get some action. Nope. Yeah. I'm waiting to see if there's one more play we can do. we rebalance the 15-minute. We could just grind up the whole day, or we can get a reversal, but to the downside for more continuation. Press these lows. The only thing you need is a confirmation. Confirmation I see right now is that 1 minute PD ray. We already rebalanced. If we can get a displacement, we can actually look for lower prices.
That gap we just respected, I'm down. I'm like fine with shorting that if we go inversion there.
Is it the 222?
221, I think. Oh yeah, 222.
Yeah, it's the same thing we were talking about then. Let me see how many Apex you guys blown today. I just talked about. I think I got like 100. Maybe I think it's 110 now, and I passed 30 of them, which is not the best ratio, but that is actually. Someone said 188 blown counts. How many did you pass? Angie kill shit.
What'd you just say?
So someone just asked how many people, how many accounts people blown today, basically.
All of them.
All of them. It just depends on the count size. Because the bigger the count is, the harder it is to pass, and it gets really difficult. Yeah, if we just inverse this, I would like this for short. We need to inverse it though. Guys, if you want to share your pass rate or how many accounts you have, or especially with account size too, because I think that matters. If you want to say like, oh, you did 100k and then you pass 10 of them, failed 90, feel free to say in the chat. I think it's pretty good to share your performance and acknowledge it, because it's not easy. I'm just glad I passed pretty good amount now. Especially, I think if I didn't pass this, or it'll feel pretty meh today, but that really helped me. That helped me pass like 10 more counts. And that was like the only trade that we took on live too. YOLO news is fine, but you can't really do that with this if you're trying to take advantage of the sale. That's the only downside there. Pass 15 out of 110. Yeah, I think probably after market close, maybe with the website, the Apex website will get faster. I wouldn't wait till the last minute though, because I think last time that it did big sales like that, like if between 11 and 12 near midnight time, like an hour before sale ends, the website is like the worst you've ever seen. So I would, if you try to get some more accounts before, like to save for like non-farm payroll or something like that, you want to get them like in advance, like a few hours ahead, and just save them. I think I'm just gonna try to get like 250Ks, and then I think I'll be good, because I already have a lot of pass today, so just to be precaution. It's just $16, and it'll be an investment just in case if anything happens, you have some accounts. Next one is next Friday.
I took the small brain. I took a micros.
I'll post the link if anyone wants to use it. Does it? Can you check if you click that link and you go check out? Does it automatically input your code? I think.
It's on your YouTube.
Yeah. I think it should do that.
The smart profit one.
No, not that one. Not that one. What I just sent. I said highly recommend loading accounts. It's just that link.
I'm gonna need you to send it again. Oh, I see.
It's in the chat. It's in the chat.
I see. Log in.
It should already. Chat, can you confirm too? Because I think it should do that, just in case people don't like put the code in already. It makes it like, I guess it makes it a little bit easier for people. They don't have to worry about inputting the code. You don't see it? Damn, what the heck? I think it should. Someone's Apex said it should do that. Let me just go in incognito and see. It doesn't automatically input. That's
dumb.
I thought it would, man. That's the only reason we shortened the link like that. Let me check. Wait, I just did it though. See, okay, look at this. I'm in incognito right now. You scroll down, look any of the plans, right? It says like 50% off. It should be 90%, but they didn't update it. You click one of them, and it should have the code inputted already, like this. It doesn't do that for you, does it? That's weird. You have to click one of the plans first. Maybe someone can confirm. If your code is catch bro. Oh. Damn, okay, I can see. Wait, what does that mean? What does browser cache mean? Like, how does that work? Oh, it works. Wait, Daisy, can you try again? I just want to confirm because using the same link, if it doesn't do that, then it ruins the point of it.
Alright, what do I try?
I'll show the link in the chat again. Just click the link and then click like one of the plans.
Like from the.
Yeah, for the live chat, it should say like smart then. Basically the C
equals 50%
smart.
off using. Why is it 50?
Yeah, no, it's not updated, but just click one of them, like click the 100K or so or 50Ks, and just see if the coupon code is already inputted.
It is.
Does it do that?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. There we go.
That's neat.
Yeah, that's what Apex were telling me. Like, oh, if you want to just use a link like this,
yeah,
you can do that. Watch this. I'm gonna try to do it with Desi's link. Are you watching, Desi?
I'm watching.
Let's type in.
Remove
that. Let's see if it works. Oh. This link is broken. No way.
Don't fuck with me.
Wait, let me try Lanto.
Wait, is it all supposed to be all caps?
Try
not all caps.
Oh, maybe.
Nah, I think it's just you, bro.
Damn, never mind.
Yeah, see this blasphemy right here?
Oh, did I forget? Let me check again. I'll try again with this. Which is a neat thing, at least, if it saves you time. That's part of the duplicate tabs. I think that's why I noticed when I was like duplicating the tabs. I was like, what if I can just already input it, make sure it does it for every one of them? Oh, let me see. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any more trades today, guys. So I think we'll just do a giveaway and we'll wrap it up. Is it like this? Oh, okay. Let me try it now. Let's see, Desi. Moment of truth. I'm gonna just capitalize it this time.
Alright, bet.
It shows your code. Okay, let's see if it auto inputs it.
That's actually sick.
It does. It does. Look at that.
There we go.
But yeah, before I wrap this up, I'm gonna look at the forex calendar. Let's see when we can pass it. So you basically you buy it. Was it January 2nd, right? Before sale ends, January 2nd. You have a whole month. So till February 2nd, you have non-farm payrolls on Friday or January 10th. That's non-farm payroll. And then the week after that, you have PPI. Day after that, CPI on the 15th. I would probably ignore all these other like retail, core retail that doesn't really show that many volatility. And then I think you have one more, yeah, FOMC Wednesday, January 29th. So you have basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So PPI, CPI, non-farm payroll, and FOMC. 4 high impact news folder, which potentially can give you like 100 points, 200 points instantly. So in that case, I think the best idea would be just loading up some large accounts, because you can pass the 50Ks pretty easily on your own. But if you want to like get a 300K account, 250K account, you're just saving them for news, and it'd be like a flip a coin basically. You either pass or you don't. Okay, I'll just do the giveaway now. Like, stream, and comment username 1 time. I think this is a My Fun Future giveaway. After this, we're just gonna end the stream. I don't think we're gonna trade more. Are you trading tomorrow, Desi?
Yeah.
Someone said, Brian, you really encourage gambling. Every time someone says that, I think to me it's like strategical gambling, because you gotta do whatever you can to pass these accounts, especially with a sale, because like you have a better, lower cost investment with it. And then once you do funded, like let's say after sale's over, right? Next week, starting Monday, we're gonna really be grinding these funded to get payouts for me, for you, for everyone. So Brian put me on passing on news. It's so smart. I think that's why, like today, like I was trading the 150K. I was doing fine with it, but the trailing draw takes me out. That's just trading regularly. But I know with news, I could just pass it in one shot. I'll give you guys like about 247, like 3 minutes, and then we'll just pick it. So yeah, I think I'll just get 250Ks. I don't mind it renewing if I don't need it for February. It's just gonna be for March, especially at that discount price. By then, I'll probably get payouts already. Dump is coming. Honestly, Power Hour. What is the chances?
We're dumping, bro.
970.
We're dumping.
That actually looks. That sounds good. That actually sounds pretty good.
I believe
you entered 100 giveaways but never won one.
It's because Brian Rigginson gives them all to me.
there's like usually like 200 people entering. I mean, even if you enter 200 of them, you maybe you'll be bound statistically to win one of them, but not guaranteed. Jackson said he won twice. How many people won your giveaway before? No way. Sleepy won, I think 2 before. I know 1 for sure. It was like a giveaway where like I think it was like a roll of dice or something like that, and then Sleepy popped up. It was like a legit only 1. Okay, yeah. Eric won 4 times. I can't control who wins multiple times or not. But there's definitely winners, but he's like, I don't really get anything just by rigging it. The only bright side is if you won multiple times already, if it's My Fun Future giveaways, you know what they told me, Desi? Like if you won more than twice already, we can't give you another account. So in that case, like I think what I did, like if you won, we'll just give you like $50 or something in cash. By the way, last note also, how many in the chat was able to win $100 cash rewards for just being a user at Smart Prop Firm, because we did 80 winners. If you were one of them, just type say that you were one of them. 80 winners, $100 per winner, 8,000 total. I know a lot of you guys posted that you want. If you won, you got this email saying like, oh, you won. You either did it the Apex raffle or the end of year giveaway. I think we're gonna try to do this once a month. Not gonna be 8,000 though. It's gonna probably be like 4,000, maybe less, maybe more. But that'd be pretty good. Just give it back. Kuva's one of them. How many people here? Let me see. Because we have like 1,200 users, so that the odds there is like a little bit more difficult. But we just depends if we're lucky or not. Okay, let's see if we can start rolling here. Okay, we're gonna pick a winner for my Infinite Features today. We're gonna do another one tomorrow too. Winner today is Lionel J4773. GMAX said I won twice, but you had a lot less entries back then. Yeah, back then we had like 200, 100 viewers, 300 viewers, let's say, and then only like 50 of them participate, so you had like a 2% chance of winning. But now we have like a lot. I'll give you 2 minutes to respond. Lionel J. Look at that pump. What the heck?
Dude, I know. I just got destroyed.
Were you trying evals?
Yeah.
Like Apex evals or like a toss up?
Yeah, Apex.
Dude, we're pumping. Dude, power armor might be pretty good to pass evals too. Okay, yeah, all right, Gene L, just DM me in Discord. We'll get you right there. And that's gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Make sure to load up Apex. And oh, before I wrap up, also, if you want to do the duplicate tab, let me see if you can hear this. So you basically put your code SMART here. You click all the checkboxes, and then what do you want? And then you duplicate tabs, duplicate tabs, duplicate tabs. If you want 10 accounts, and then you also save your credit card information. So doing this way, you can actually buy like 10 accounts in like 2 minutes. So if you want 100 accounts, you can do it in 20 minutes instead of 2 hours. So you have this pre-fill too. Make sure it doesn't, you don't need like a verification or anything like that set for temporarily, and then you can just pay and then next tab, pay, next tab, pay, next tab. Really quick. There's a video here. Let's wrap up. Oh, wrong screen. Dude, I don't know why it does that. How do I get... Why does it do that now? Let me see. Is it not left window? It doesn't show anything that I put up, right? It's on Discord, though. It's on a prop sale. Yeah, it doesn't show it. Let me see if I can do this, and then we'll wrap up. If you're not interested, you can just leave. It's in I'm just gonna type it. Go to Discord. And then go to prop sale. It's a last message. I just can't show it on stream for some reason. Okay, wrap up. I'll see you guys tomorrow.